Hi, today I'm reviewing the BOSCIA Chia Seed Moisture Cream. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money, and I will never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbooty.com or click on the Amazon link below. So this is a newer product from BOSCIA. They've been releasing a lot of new things and also repackaging some of their other products. So it's actually kind of interesting. If you go to Marshall's or any of those type of stores, you'll frequently see some of their stuff there, like on a really good discount. Them and what's the other brand? Truly Organic. Been seeing a lot of their stuff there lately too. Mostly because a lot of their older stuff, they're just changing the packaging. A lot of brands do that. But the Chia Seed Moisture Cream I actually really like. Although the packaging, I'm not a huge fan of course. So they describe this as a super rich cream which provides an instant restoration of deep hydration to dry skin while nourishing and locking in moisture for soft and supple skin. And chia seed is actually showing up in a lot of products lately, so it's kind of a new it thing. So anyway, I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on it based on my Sarah score scale. And my first criteria is packaging, and obviously not a huge fan of it. It's very bulky, large, and a jar package is not the best way to package things, especially antioxidants. So I've got it packaged in this big bulky jar, and then, I don't know, I always leave these things on. Just provides a little bit of an extra buffer. And then they did include a kind of a unique spatula, one that I probably won't lose, so they get a little bit of bonus points for the little spatula, but overall the packaging is pretty bulky, especially if you tend to travel a lot, so I'm definitely going to be looking for a deluxe travel size of this. So anyway, so not the most efficient way to package it. After this review, I'm probably going to be repotting it into one of my jars. So if you're interested in the jar, click on the Amazon link. So anyway, airless jars are just the way to go for sanitation and for protecting the antioxidants. So anyway, okay, on to alcohol, my second criteria. This contains the good fatty type of alcohol, cetyl alcohol, but it also contains ethanol, which is denatured alcohol. It can be put in SD alcohol, ethanol. There's several different isopropyl alcohol, just decoding it. However, thankfully, it's the third to the last ingredient. Most likely it's just used as a preservative, so it's not an issue really at all, just for those with very, very sensitive skin. Could be a very minor issue, but for the most part, it's the way it's used, and it's not one of the first few ingredients, or even in the middle. Towards the very end, not a big deal, but anyway. Better probably than half the other preservatives they could have used. So, on to fragrance. There's no fragrance in here, and it has really no scent at all, no noticeable scent, so that is a very good thing. The manufacturing location, this is made in the U.S., so again, I don't have any issues with that. So ease of use. So a little bit of this goes a long way, and I'm going to use the little spatula they gave me. But it is a very thick cream, so literally like a small amount goes a very long way on your skin. And actually, I like using this on my face and also like around my eye area. If it gets super dry, this is a super thick cream, so it does a nice job hydrating them. So you can use this in your routine after you cleanse, use your toner. If you apply an essence, if you use any serums, apply those beforehand. This one will probably be towards the very end or the end of your skincare routine. If you use any thinner gel type moisturizers, I'd recommend using those before this. This one will probably be towards or at the very end of your routine. So it does a nice job smoothing over skin, absorbs pretty quickly. For a thick cream, it does absorb quickly and doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy. Although if you have very oily skin, you probably don't need this and it might not absorb as quickly, but it does a very nice job. I'm looking forward to using this in the winter time when my skin gets super dry. So, and I do like using this on my eye area, on my eyelids a little bit when they get dry. So very, very useful product. Like the thick cream, drier skin will definitely probably love this and love the texture. So very easy to use, no issues at all with that. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. Okay, so shea butter is the third ingredient for this, which is great for hydration of skin. They've got jojoba seed oil in there, again, good for hydration, moisture. And then we've got the Salvia Hispanica seed oil, which is the chia seed oil. Which is great for hydrating skin, preventing moisture loss. It's a great source of fatty acids, omega-3s, So it's a very good, it's not really newer, but it's just been kind of highlighted in a lot of products lately as a very good source of fatty acids and things like that. So very good for skin. Then we've got, it's also a great source of alpha-linoleic acid, which is another good fatty acid to hydrate your skin. So also a rich source of phenolic acids and isoflavones, which those ingredients, or those counterparts, are great sources of antioxidants. So chia seed, good for hydration, antioxidant, giving your skin kind of a smooth, supple look. So they've done a very good job. It also has a potential that it's showing a promise to inhibit melanin production. So like pigmentation, things like that. So it's showing really a lot of good promises for that. There's also chia supplements, chia seeds. They're also can be a good part of a healthy diet. So all the way around a good ingredient for topical as well as ingestible, I guess, health. So very good to see. Then we've also in this got Sambucus Nigra fruit extract, which is elderberry, which is a good antioxidant and also has some good skin soothing properties due to flavonoids. Then we've also got lecithin, which is good for hydration, skin restoring, and moisture. And then we've got Epilobium Angustifolium, which is fireweed, which to me doesn't sound like it would be good for your skin. Anything with fire in it doesn't sound like it'd be good for your skin, but it is actually a good beneficial antioxidant. So, which shocked me when I saw that. I'm like, that can't be good for skin. Although I think I've seen it before in other things, and anytime I see the word fire and skincare in a sentence, it just doesn't sound good. But it's good for your skin, so always got to dig a little bit deeper. So, okay, on to animal testing. This product is vegan as well as cruelty-free. So things can be cruelty-free and not vegan, and things can be vegan but not cruelty-free. Interesting. Anyway, I just don't think I've seen a lot of things that are vegan but not cruelty-free, but there must be some. Anyway, I'm going to stop there. Okay, on to my 8th criteria, which is performance. Really does a nice job hydrating as well as soothing dry skin as well as overly dry skin. I've been using some days when my skin is super dry, mixing a little bit of this in with retinol, or mixing a little bit of retinol in with a large amount of this, just on days when pure retinol might be just a bit too dry, and if I've been using an exfoliant mask or things like that. So mixing it with other things definitely has helped, or a little bit of vitamin C, things like that. Mixing it's definitely worked well. Definitely does a nice job hydrating skin without making it feel greasy or oily. It absorbs pretty quickly. And I just have a note in here. Really surprised how much I ended up liking this cream. I really wasn't expecting to like it as much as I did, to be honest. To me, it was like, oh, another cream, got to try it, see what it's all about. And I really did end up truly liking it. So, okay, on to the 9th criteria, which is price. This is the full size, which is 1.61 ounces. And it retails for $38, which is a little bit pricey. Although I found this to be pretty close in price to the Olay whips, those Olay whip products. They've got like different jars and different formulas and things like that. The price is actually pretty close to that, but in my opinion, the quality is a little bit above and beyond, just in terms of the beneficial ingredients that they included and how it's fragrance free. So not ridiculously expensive. And then BOSCIA you can frequently find on sale on their website or other stores, so it's always worth checking a little bit before you pick it up on the retail price. And then in terms of the it factor, I gave it the thumb up for the it factor. Really liked it. Nice cream moisturizer, thick, creamy, but not overly greasy. Soaks in nicely, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, vegan. And then I have a note in here for acne-prone skin. It does contain a few acne-genic ingredients, such as the cetyl alcohol, jojoba seed oil, and butylene glycol, but not as much as you would think with a cream like this. You'd think that there's a lot of issue ingredients, but for acne-prone skin, there's really not a ton to worry about unless you're sensitive to one of those ingredients. But overall, really like this cream. Definitely going to be continuing to use it, especially during the winter time. So I gave this an 8 out of 10, which is pretty darn good, especially for one when I initially wasn't too excited about it. Wasn't even going to pick it up, but I thought about it. Winter is coming for sure, and I thought I need to stock up on moisturizers since it's already starting to get a little bit chilly here, so definitely need to keep skin hydrated over the seasonal change. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys have a chance to pick this up or try it, or if you have a favorite product from BOSCIA, what is it, and what do you like about it? So definitely leave a comment. They've been coming out with a lot of new stuff here and there, so I've got their new eye cream, which I need to review as well. So anyway, so definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Check out nobsbeauty.com and the Amazon link below, and thank you guys so much.